Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday here. Just went for a little bit of bike ride. Kind of been my MO over the last couple of months or so. I have a group of buddies who like to go out. We have a couple different routes. We went on our mountain climbing route today, a shorter route, only about 25 miles or so, but my legs are complete jello right now. But having said that, it was a great day. Beautiful weather out. Couple buddies of mine that I haven't seen for quite a while came out, so it was fun reconnecting with those guys. Had a couple beers. Just a great overall day. So I hope your guys' day has been as awesome as mine. Just to recap last week here, up about $27 on Friday. Over the last week, making back some good gains here after some of the volatility that the Fed kind of threw in early last week, the week before that as well, with discussions about raising interest rates, kind of threw the market into a little bit of a sell-off, kind of shocked the market. They weren't quite ready for that, but they're making back some good gains here from earlier losses suffered from this play here. Portola, it's coming back nicely, up almost 2.5% on Friday. Over the last week, up 11. Over the last month, 16%. So making some great gains back. Still overall down a bit here. As you know, the FDA decision on this stock didn't go my way, but longer play, it's only down about 4% or so. So making back some good money there, along with my Pfizer there. Those were kind of bought in conjunction, a little bit of a play that went the wrong way. And just kind of an overview of my stocks. There, not a lot has changed. Like I said, it's Saturday, so a non-trading day. What I kind of want to talk about today is gold. So being a new investor here, an article caught my eye about investing in gold when the market gets a little bit more volatile, especially when interest rates are rising, or at least when the Fed is talking about raising interest rates and the market's not really sure what's going to be happening with that. So there's a few different ways of buying gold. You can buy gold bullion. This is kind of buying the physical gold itself, coins, bars, jewelry. You can think of this as like buying these American Buffalo coins. I don't know if you've seen these commercials on TV, but essentially you'd buy this gold and hold it physically. You can, store it somewhere safe at your home, or you can get a safe deposit box at a bank and put that there for safekeeping. There's also some companies, I guess, that specialize in holding the gold bullion for you, and you can buy and sell it through that company. Just a much safer way of, I guess, handling the gold. You can also buy Gold Etf. So let's see if we can't find a couple of those. Let's just type in gold and see what kind of pops up here. So a couple different things pop up. The first one here, GLD. Whoops, GLD. Here we go. SPDR Gold Trust. So this is a way of getting into gold without having to physically own it yourself. You can see on the bottom here, this is tracking the gold spot price, kind of the raw material price, the mining price for gold, using gold bars held in London vaults. There's another one here I want to take a look at as well. Let's just type in the ticker symbol IAU, excuse me. iShares Gold Trust. Again, this is a similar ETF. Again, on the bottom, they're tracking gold spot price, and this is using gold bars held in vaults around the world, so not just in London. So that's a good way of diving in without having to physically own the gold itself. And another way of getting into gold is investing in the gold mining companies themselves. So GOLD. Here we go. This is, here we go. Randgold Resource Limited. So this is, on the bottom here, you can see a gold mining and exploration company. This is engaged in the mining, exploration, development of gold deposits. So 3 different ways of getting into gold. So having said that, why would you want to own gold? Well, the overall, I guess, reason to own gold is because it's an important part of kind of hedging against volatility in sort of stocks and bonds and paper investments. So while gold can be a little bit volatile in the short term, over the long term, it's kind of a long-term hedge, if you will. You can hedge against inflation. You can hedge against currency erosions. You can hedge against some short-term volatility in the markets. It's just good to have it as part of a well-diversified portfolio as well. So like I said, there's a few different ways of doing gold, bullion, ETFs, also investing in gold miners themselves. And what I was talking about before, hedging against interest rates. So I guess the popular belief, at least this is what I understand it being, is that gold has an inverse relationship with interest rates. So gold, it's a physical entity. It doesn't make a rate of return on itself. So if the interest rates is rising, a lot of investors will take their money out of stocks, will take their money out of gold and put those into things like fixed income and bonds and whatnot. So there's this perceived negative correlation, but kind of doing some of the reading, it looks like over the long term, gold really isn't affected that much by interest rates. Rather, it's more affected by inflow and outflow of capital investment within paper investments, within the market itself. So rising interest rates kind of lead investors to rebalance their investment portfolios. Again, like I said, favoring bonds, fixed incomes in favor of stocks. Higher bond yields are making investors less willing to buy into stocks. And sometimes these get overvalued like they are right now, or what a lot of investors think they are right now. So it's just a good way of hedging against the market. Having said all of that, if you do think gold is going down, well, like we talked about before, there's also things called inverse ETFs. You can actually buy into inverse ETFs and other funds that can short gold. So DUST is a good example of this. This is an inverse ETF. It's providing a 3 times inverse exposure to the market cap weighted index of gold and silver mining firms. So essentially this is going to be inverse of the gold. So if you think the gold price is going to go down because of rising interest rates, you'd want to buy into this. And there's some other funds as well that you can short gold on. Let's see if I can find any of these ticker symbols here. Here we go, ProShares Ultra Short Gold. On the bottom there you can see QX daily performance of gold bullion is measured by fixed price US dollars of delivery in London. Let's see if this other one, I can't read my handwriting here. DZZ, here we go, ProShares DB Gold double short. Another way of shorting gold. So yeah, just kind of want to talk a little bit about gold. I know this is a really brief introduction. Being a new investor here, I'm learning myself. So if there's anything I said that's not completely accurate, let me know. Let me know what I should be focusing on, what I need to read up about on gold. If gold is a good investment, what you guys are doing with gold or precious metals in general. So yeah, like I said, a few different ways of buying into gold, ETFs. You can buy the bullion itself. You can buy into gold mining companies. A lot of folks think, like I said, that interest rates are inverse with gold price. So as interest rates go up, gold price will go down. Others think gold is a great long-term hedge against the market and fluctuations in interest rates and capital coming in and out of the market. You can have a little bit of short-term variability, but over the long term, it's a great hedge as well. And like I said, if you think your gold's going to be dropping, if you're bullish on gold, you can buy into some inverse ETFs and some other funds that short gold as well. So yeah, just wanted to talk a little bit about, at least bring up the idea of gold. So as always, if you like my videos, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I've been saying this every video, making these videos, discussing topics with you guys, engaging in really nice conversations about investing. As a new investor, it's awesome. Been learning a ton. Been learning a lot more than I thought I was going to learn. Actually investing in the markets, like gold, this stuff is a lot more complex than I had originally thought. I'd been investing a lot in mutual funds, some ETFs in my E-Trade account. But with Robinhood here, no commission trading, I thought I'd dive in, buy and sell. Kind of as a novelty, some stocks, but I've been having a lot of fun, learning a lot about the market, learning that maybe my past investment strategies have not been the best ideas. So I'd like to kind of continue this exploration, if you will, in investing. So again, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe really helps the channel out, helps me out quite a bit. And again, leave me some comments. Let's get some discussions going. So hope you guys have a great, awesome Saturday here. Tomorrow as well, Sunday. I'll be posting my stock picking video either later today or on Sunday. And then on Monday, we'll try to go in, put some more capital into the account and start buying some of your suggested high dividend yielding stocks. So again, have an awesome week.